Is there a Windows 8 shortcut to display the taskbar? In Windows 7, Win can be used to raise an auto-hidden taskbar. In Windows 8, Win overwrites the entire screen with the start screen. Is there a keyboard shortcut in Windows 8 to display the taskbar once it has been auto-hidden? Update. Thanks to Tom for the answer. Here is a comprehensive list of Windows system keyboard shortcuts.
Either hover it, or press Win+T to activate the current application on the taskbar. There also doesn't seem a quick way to access the lock screen information. I bet they might facilitate accessing the different things using hotkeys, because it is indeed a pain.
If all you're trying to do is obtain visual access to the taskbar, then using any shortcut that focuses a specific item on your taskbar should also fulfill that purpose. For example, Win+B for the notification tray, etc.
You can press Alt plus Escape, or Alt plus Shift plus Escape to reverse, to switch between windows, which also brings the taskbar to the foreground. If you're using an external monitor, this combination only displays the taskbar on the Windows monitor, whereas Windows+T shows all taskbars, and doesn't switch the windows. With Windows plus comma, not the comma on the numpad, you can peek to the desktop, which will also show you the taskbar, but only temporary.
I find that Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape works a treat. Not only does this combination open the Task Manager, but it also brings it to the foreground when hidden, and at the same tab that you last used it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.